Thank you for joining us today for the unboxing of the Venture Forth new color variation black silver compact sleeping bag. First, we need a knife, a bigger knife. Multivitamins are not included with sleeping bag. It's lightweight, 9 pounds, water resistant. It's a 3-season sleeping bag, 35 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Last thing you want to do is get the wrong size bag. This one is for adults and kids up to 5 foot 11 inches. Ideal for hiking, camping, and outdoor adventures. Has quality stitching for more durability. There's a 2-way zipper for ease in and out of access. And Hunter's favorite feature is feet freedom with the zipper at the bottom. Hunter, will you show me how to pack up the sleeping bag? Okay, that was way too fast. Could you slow it down? So first, lay bag out flat. Second, fold 1/3 in lengthways. Third, fold in half up from the bottom. Fourth, roll from the bottom. Fifth, roll all the way to the top. Sixth, insert roll into the bag. 7, tighten drawstring. And finally, number 8, tighten the straps. Thank you for joining us as we unbox the Venture Forth black silver compact sleeping bag. We're excited to test it out on our next outdoor adventure. Once we do, we'll share how it performs. Have a great adventure day. Check out the unique 25% discount code from Amazon and in the description.